Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that every tabletop RPG enthusiast will want to add to their collection, the Chessex Glitter Red / Gold Polyhedral Dice Set. We found this gem online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this dice set special. The Chessex dice set comes with 7 beautifully crafted polyhedral dice, each measuring a compact 10 mm. This set includes all the essential dice you need for your favorite tabletop games: a D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, D20, and a D%. The glittery red and gold design is not only visually striking but also adds a touch of flair to your gaming sessions. One of the standout features of this dice set is its size. These mini dice are perfect for those who might be short on table space or prefer a quieter experience when rolling. If you're someone who uses a dice tower, you'll appreciate how these smaller dice make less noise when they tumble down. This can lead to a more immersive and enjoyable gaming atmosphere, allowing you to focus on the adventure at hand. The Chessex dice set is not just for Dungeons & Dragons. While it's a popular choice for D&D players, it's also suitable for a variety of other tabletop RPGs, including Shadowrun, Pathfinder, Savage Worlds, and Warhammer. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting, these dice will enhance your gameplay experience. Practical use cases for this dice set are abundant. If you're running a one-shot adventure or a longer campaign, having a reliable and visually appealing set of dice is a must. They make excellent companions for those late-night gaming sessions with friends or even during family game nights. The included plastic case is a great bonus, keeping your dice safe and organized, which is especially handy if you're on the go. In summary, the Chessex Glitter Red / Gold Polyhedral Dice Set stands out not just for its stunning design but also for its practicality. It's a versatile set that caters to a wide range of tabletop games, making it a must-have for any RPG enthusiast. Plus, let's be honest, can you ever really have too many dice? Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.